I'm Grant Williamson. I'm a junior at Rockbridge.
I'm Rachel Riegal, and I'm also a junior at Rockbridge, and I'm in Culinary Arts 2 and Baking and Pastry Arts. And right now we are putting on a barbecue to support our trip to nationals for Skills USA. Grant got first at state in culinary, and I got first at state in baking, which means we both have the opportunity to compete for a $100,000 scholarship for the Culinary Institute of America.
So all the proceeds go towards getting us down there and our experience in Louisville. It's in Louisville, Kentucky, so all these profits go towards letting us have a good trip, good experience. What we made was pulled pork, baked beans, coleslaw, and potato salad.
And brownies.
And brownies.